What do you think, Bandit? What do you think? Yeah? You like it today? You like those glasses? Wait, just leave them on. You're a good boy, huh?
Come here. Kick. Good boy. Bring your head down.
Oh, Buster! Keep him now, let's take a picture. On your phone. Oh my gosh, keep him there, man. Oh my gosh, don't get your camera.
He's like, you look so far away.
Hey, hold on. Come on, open up.
Stay. No, stay.
And then head straight on. Oh, he keeps moving. Oh, that's busted. Do you have to get glasses? Look at mommy.
Good boy. Want a cookie? Come here.
Yes, look at my little Fuji. Look at your leg.
My name's Jake. Jake's getting a bit old. Got the old glasses for him the other day.
Coco. Hi, Coco. Hello. Hi, Coco. Coco.
Today's lesson for the day is... I don't know, Val, what is it? What's today's lesson?
Hi. She's smiling. Hi, Mary. Say hi to everybody. I'm so cool. Y'all are losers. Say hi to everybody. Say hi. Hi. Fail. She says hi.
You can see his eyes.
That's cool, man. It's pretty cool. Japanese dog glasses.
Mach doch schnell ein Foto davon.
Dipping on some scissors. Dipping on some dipping on some scissors. Dipping on some tips.
Well, she won't believe it. Who's pretty? That's gorgeous. You look so cute. That looks so good.
You want cookie? You want cookie? You want cookie? Do you want to go get cookies? Do you want to go get cookies? You want one cookie? Or do you want 2 cookies? Max, you tired? Max, I'm a cool dog. Yeah.